Learning about how to use Padlet. So simply go to the Google and write Padlet. So this type of page will be opened. Simply click on this first entry. Okay, and then if you have already an account, then simply log in, and if you do not have an account, so sign up. So I'm signing it up. You can sign up with Apple, with Google, and the Microsoft. Simply I'll sign up with the Google. So the lots of articles, so I guess I should select this one. I just wanted to start with a new Gmail. Simply continue. It's very easy to browse it. So this kind of interface will be opened. You can see that how will you be using Padlet. This will allow us to give you a better onboard experience. So you want to use it for a personal project, being a student, being a teacher, or with the team. So as I'm a teacher, so I will be logging it in. So as you can see, there are lots of um, plans have been given. So that's why, but I wanted to use it free, so I will be clicking on the first one. Now this kind of interface will be open. He's asking what classes do you teach, so you can mention here, because this is how it will be giving you more ideas relevant to that standard, but I'm opting it here, answer later. So now you can see that you can import the PDF here, you can import your Google Classroom, your Google Slides, and then you can move on to the multiple things. You can see that you can create a discussion board here. I am creating a Padlet discussion board. So this kind of, I'm going to write the topic here. For example, I'm writing here how to learn Padlet. For example, this is my topic, so I'm going to share it, and my class is higher education, so I'm generating it. Fine. So your discussion topic goes here. So how to learn Padlet, I'm going to copy the same here, just like this, and it's done. Okay, but what can I do that these are the settings, it is in apparent, so I just want my Padlet theme to be work on like more brighter, and I just want to change it. So these are multiple themes you can choose. I can go with the green, I can go with the pink. These are free. This is for brown. Fine. And these are the tiles in self design. These styles can be taken, this design can be opted to. So it's up to you. Whatever you choose, just simply save it. And then you can choose the font as well. So I'm choosing the bigger one, and then the post size is whatever the post size you wanted to opt for. You just wanted to have it, whether the standard or wide. So I'm just opting for the standard one. And then there is another option of the, just see here, grid. So whether I wanted to have table, free form, rows, columns. So I think that I want some columns here. So whatever the post will be published here, they will be reflecting here in multiple columns. Okay, great. Now I'm just offing it quickly. Now let me show you that simply you can write the prompt here, that the description about the topic, how to learn Padlet, and then I can ask for the questions and responses, and I can create a debate, because this is a discussion board. What I will be doing then, let me tell you there how I can write my post here. Simply you can write the post from here as well, and you can write the post from the setting section too, from here too. So it's up to you. It is how your post would look like. Simply I'm creating the post on for the discussion board. I'm writing for myself. Simply I will be writing it. But I just wanted to add a picture rather than posting on Padlet is one of the AI software. So I think that I wanted to browse a picture. I'm going for image search. So you can see I'm going to search here AI, for example. So these kind of images are open. So I can select any of the image which is related to my thought, and then you can post it there. For example, I don't like this. Okay, I think that we need to talk about AI. Okay, fine. I am selecting this picture. Okay, I can then I'm adding a caption here. We need to discuss AI and its ethical AI and its multiple softwares to scaffold pedagogy. Simple. Fine. So this is a discussion board. I am opening it, and then I can choose the background. Either I wanted to keep it white, I wanted to keep it blue, or I even wanted to keep it what. So I think white is fine. And then if I think that the photo is appropriate, and I've given the option, and I'm going to publish it. You can see that here that this this is the interface of the Padlet. Simple. So I can with my name and the Gmail I have logged in earlier, it's been reflecting with my picture that I posted it. So now I want my students to participate into it. So what I'll be doing, I'll be doing it with a share, and I will be sharing its link. Fine, I'm copying its link, and I'm then copying this link, and I'm simply sharing this link in the WhatsApp group where the students can open it, and then they will join the class, and then they will be like they do not need to sign in, because I do not click on that option here which is available. So simply they can see that they will when they will click on the link, so they would have this kind of interface, and then they will be simply adding, there will be a plus sign, they will plus it, and then they will see this prompt, and once the window is there, so you can see this is a beautiful window, because once it's done, so there is a cluster of ideas and thoughts with the pictures. This is how you can make your classes more interactive. So, and this is very important and very significant to teach the young students specifically, to keep their interests gauged. It is not necessary all the time to have the words from there. They need to learn that how to share the picture and how to browse the relevant picture with their thought process. So Padlet is a very handy tool for discussion board. It creates assignments as well. Okay, now let's come out from it, and just I wanted to, this is the post I have assigned it, and then I can go with the other one as well. Fine. Now you can see I am back from that Padlet icon. I can create another Padlet. Fine, and then I can tag them here. Open in slideshow, open link to Padlet, add a bookmark, remove from recent, and move to trash. So these are the options which a Padlet which has been created by you can be given to you. You can have an imports here. Imports mean that you can import files. PDFs can be imported, Google Slides can be imported. So no Word document will be accepted here. You need to understand it. Okay, and now for example, if I say take some Google Drive, I don't remember that I have any slides in my Google. It must be there. Let me show you how to import the slides. Continue. So for example, introduction to AI bingo. I'm selecting it. Got it. So this is how the file is uploading. simply processing your file. It's very quick process, it's not taking very long, and it makes the things very easier, very handy, very colorful, and very interesting as well. It's actually breaking the stereotype. So this is how your slides are opening, for example, and you can create your slides over here, making them more interesting. You can simply add multiple titles, multiple pictures. You can change the color, you can change the font, and it makes the things easier and the color for you. So you can draw the things as well. So you know, see this. So if I don't want it, I will remove it. Simply, I just removed it. I can. This is how you can see if I want it this way, this way. I think that it's you can talk about it intelligence. So you can do a lot of things, and this is how you will play your slides as well. This is how it will work. See, it's automatically generated. They generate it how artificial intelligence. So if you do not like it, so you can move on to the another design. Great. So I hope that the things are easier for you. The things can be like more interesting and make the teaching actually for pedagogy more lovable for the young ones to keep their minds fresh, and it actually activates your brain as well. So this is it for today's session. So in the next class we will be learning some other tools which are helpful for the blending.